Hi everyone, April here. I'm going to go over the cardstock I used to create this nifty little Father's Day gift card holder project. The cardstock I used is Plike in white, blue, and red. I also used silver mirror foil board. For the gift card element, I used snowy white from the Encore line. Take a look at how vibrant that red Plike truly is. Plike cardstock is one of my favorites to use. It's called Plike because it's plastic-like and has a different feel to it. It's much sturdier, but also has a very vibrant color. When I cut it on my Cricut, the setting I use is Poster Board Plus, which means it does 2 pass-throughs to cut through cleanly. I also cut my silver mirror foil board on Poster Board Plus to get clean cuts. One of the things I love about this specialty cardstock is that it truly acts like a mirror. Yes, it's really that shiny. This project is available in my Cricut Design Space profile, free for Cricut Access members. You may resize if you'd like, but do not resize the gift card holder element, as that is sized perfectly to fit all standard gift cards. "12 by 12 cardstock has tons of unique specialty cardstock. Another favorite of mine is their sequin glitter cardstock. I love mixing textured cardstock or embossing smooth cardstock with designs and pairing it with specialty cardstock for that perfect pop. I hope you enjoy creating this project.